Good morning, guys. We're going to start chapter 12, section 1. We're going to do this a little bit different just because this section requires a lot of drawing, and as you guys know, I'm not that great with drawing. So let's see if this works out. Let's see how you flip the camera. Okay, this is section 12.1. Like I said, the reason I'm doing this like this is because it requires drawing, and I'm not that great of drawing. Okay. So it says I'm going to do problems 1 and 2. You guys are responsible for 3 and 4. I'll do 5 and 6. And you are responsible for 7 and 8. Okay. So all this section is about is drawing 3D figures. Now, before we start, I just want to let you know how this paper works. This dotted paper works. So this line that goes up and down, this represents the height. Okay. The line here that goes diagonally, this represents how long it's going to be. And then this line that goes horizontal, this line here, this line here represents your width, so how wide your shape is going to be. Okay. Now it's asking you to draw a cube. Now a cube is similar to a square because all the sides are the same. So all the sides are going to measure 2 units long. Okay. So now we're going to start with the height, which is 2 units. 1, 2, so 2 units. And then we're going to start with the how long it's going to be. So it's going to be 2 units long. 1, 2. And then how wide it's going to be. It's going to be 2 units, so 1, 2. It's going to be 1, 2. There we go. Now we're going to finish closing it off. So here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, close it off right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Look at that beautiful shape right there. Okay, so that's gonna be the first one. It's 2 units wide, so it's gonna be 1, 2 units, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So it's 2 units on each side. That's a cube. Let's look at number 2. It says a prism is gonna be 2 units high. So it's going to be 2 units high. So I'm going to put 1 unit, 2 units, 5 units long. I'm doing that in red. So 5 units long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then be 2 units wide. 2 units wide. 1 unit. 2 units wide. There we go. And then just finish drawing out the shape. So how wide is going to be 5 units wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that line was pretty good actually. 2 units wide. 1, 2. Let's draw this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting better at this. Then 2 units high. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then close it off. There we go. That's how you do this. So just go ahead and follow the instructions here. 3 units high, 2 units long, 2 units wide, and it should give you your shape. Make sure you always start at the corner, at the top, guys. That's gonna help you guys a lot. And now for 5 and 6, it's asking you to describe the cross section. So the cross section is going to be, you see this shadowy part? And that right there is a cross section. Okay. So this part here. And basically it's asking you, if you get that rectangular prism and you cut it like that, what's going to be the shape of this area right here? So what is this shape going to be? This shape right here, what is this going to be? Well, it's going to be this base here, right? So the base, this top base right here, that is it looks like a square. So describe the cross section. Well, we're going to say it looks like a square. So here it's a square. Oh, look at that beautiful R right there. Okay, so it's a square. Okay, now that's all it's talking about cross section. So if you look at this cross section here, right? So our cross section is going to be this shaded region here. Okay, and what is in the shape? If you slice that, what's going to be the shape of that? Well, that's going to be, actually it's outlined here. It's going to be this red marking right here. Okay, so that section right there, what is that going to be? I'll just undo that. So what is that red section right there? Well, that's going to be a square, a rectangle, I'm sorry. So it's a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, and now your job is to go ahead and complete sections 3 and 4, sections 7 and 8. Okay, sections, I mean the problems. Okay, good luck guys, I hope this helped.